Hop into the 2019 Honda Insight. With less than 90,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Take a look at this Honda Insight, the extraordinary compact hybrid that blends future-focused efficiency and advanced safety technology with beautifully sculpted style. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, navigation system, keyless entry, moonroof, heated driver's seat, power passenger seat, premium sound system, heated mirrors, fog lamps. Live thoughtfully, drive beautifully. The Honda Insight.